What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today we broke the Summa. But quick shout out to firesprint.com for sponsoring today's episode. Our palette's gone, so you can actually almost see the banner. But thanks, Firesprint. More on them in a little bit. So this is the film that's usually up by the Firesprint banner. We took it down because we have to cut 8 to 9 rolls of it, and we do that on the Summa. We just need squares. Technically they're rectangles, but we have, it's like a 48-inch wide by like, I don't even know, 48 by something and 48 by something. We need to actually vacuum the table because we can't have the little dust particles. Anyway, the Summa is not supposed to let you put the blade past 1 millimeter down into the bed. Wow. The software did let us, and we had a problem. Let me show you. So here is what is happening, or what happened. It's not happening right now, but basically it slit too far into the sacrificial mat. Now luckily it is still together. It just means that it is now in bad shape. So we've got slits like this every so often. So you can see one there, see one there, see one there. And then we did try to super glue a few, and then there are some like in this direction going this way. So like overall the table is mostly fine, but we're likely going to have to replace the belt. Now the belt, it's kind of like a shag carpet. So it's got the fibers that stick up. It's meant to be like a cutting mat. It's meant to go into, just not that deep. So we went too far. My initial research shows that the mat itself, if like you buy it from like someone like Airmark, is like $1,400, and then I'm sure they're shipping, and then you got to install it. It's a single piece part that is taped together and glued together. I don't know how to do that. I also know you have to run some calibration on the machine to do leveling and stuff so the blade knows the orientation of the whole bed, which I don't know how to do. So it's likely that we're gonna have to pay to get it done. So I'm guessing $1,500 in material, and then I'm gonna guess another $1,500 in labor. It's not the end of the world, and it happens, and it sucks, but at the end of the day, this machine's made plenty of money. It's doing its job. It's about 1.5 years old, so the fact that this is the first thing that we're really having to do to it, I'm not upset about it. But I did want to just warn you, if you have one of these or plan on getting one of these, and for whatever reason, don't let it do it. Make sure you check it. Make sure you don't let it go past the 1 millimeter. And what I mean by that is here you can set the down distance, and it's at -1. For whatever reason, like cutting the film, it doesn't always cut all the way through, and so we set it down just a little bit lower, and it worked, and it was cutting great. Problem is, it was cutting the mat too. The only issue too is it always only has an issue on this front lip, so I think it has something to do with the levelness or something to the bed. So hopefully, if we do end up getting this replaced in the near future, we can just get that all fixed. So again, does it suck? Yeah. Is it the end of the world? No.
Yes.
No. It's really just fine. But just make sure you watch the software. And if you don't ever want to deal with this crap, you just need to have good partners like firesprint.com. They are a great wholesale, trade-only partner. They have these machines. They have multiple of these machines. They've got big printers, so you don't have to deal with this. If you don't want to deal with the headache, the mistakes, the maintenance, Firesprint is a great partner. Political season is just around the corner. Make sure you check them out for their 1, 2, and 3 color yard signs, as well as their full color digital signs. You can save 10% off your first order with a link down in the description. Let me know what mistakes you've recently made. It happens. It's a print shop. It's not the end of the world. Mistakes, they're bound to happen. Just hopefully they don't happen more often than they don't. I don't know if I'm saying that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Cam, for editing the video. And we'll see you in the next one. print them.